Man, you gotta be kidding me, man. Oh my god, bro. You gotta be kidding me, man. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me, man. You gotta be kidding me, man. Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's up, Alfred, Investor Z? And you know this shit rejected, like, literally almost at my target, dude. That's crazy. Hmm. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. All right. That's what I'm talking about. Damn it. Pay me, damn it. All right, shit. We got 1600, baby. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. I'm talking about, damn it. I'm talking about. All right, let me lock this out. I already made the math. I can't even make no more money in this account. All right, let's get in this Top Step account. Yeah, Alfred, I think we go to 100, man. Hold on, I have a.
Connection lost.
$813. I'm gonna lock this account up. I'm not gonna trade this account. Make sure. Make sure. I'll trade this account next week. Cause shit, the move basically already happened, man. So the only thing I gotta really do is get this account back up. Make sure silver is blocked. Make sure it only limits me to 2 contracts. Look at me trying to be sneaky. Look at me trying to be sneaky and try to put 3 contracts, yo. That's trying to be sneaky. Trying to be freaking sneaky, man. Ah, shit. Dang, it looks like I got at the top. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Pay me and then dump. All right, so this is our major low right there. So I'm definitely going to be paying attention. So you said Top Step is giving out free accounts. I mean, a free account. An account is like 100 and. I mean, you paying what $150 at the most? People just lost thousands of dollars. I mean, I don't think you can. Hold on, guys. Give me a second. You all right? I mean, not only did they lose a lot of money, they lost trust in the platform. I mean, but I guess it's better than nothing, I guess. I mean, this only benefits people that didn't put work in and lost a lot. Like if it was someone like me that, I don't know, doesn't necessarily keep a lot of money in my account, I was like, all right, that's fine. I mean, I guess it's better than nothing, but people that had hundreds and thousands of dollars built up over time in their account, you can never get that back. What they should have done is just restore balances. I mean, that's the only way to really make it right. All right, so this right here is all right, so actually let me just talk about that trade I just took. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's obvious. I mean, if you was with me last night, I mean, it's pretty obvious why I took that trade. I identified my major low. I identified my prior structure. My prior structure was right here. This leg took out not only this structure, it took out this structure right here. We get the market to grind higher. It pulls back into this area of previous support. I traded at the top this time instead of trading it at the bottom of it because of how bullish it was. So I figured, well, they'll probably hit that top and bounce and not really dig deep into demand and bounce. And I just took chance on it. I took a little bit of drawdown, but I was confident that, you know, if I was to vibe it, I would actually get this move, and was able to take profits around the highs right there. So I'm very proud of that trade. And these are the trades that get me paid, that keeps me paid right here. When I deviate from those trades, things it gets shaky, I guess. Like Kendrick Lamar, it gets shaky. Okay. Yeah, what's up, Tony? And NQ is just crazy, dude. Big drop at the open, big pop, and then takes out the session lows. That's crazy. From yesterday's session. And it did the same thing. What, is NQ back? Is NQ back? With the crazy price action? Actually, is this today's price action? My bad. I was looking at the wrong price action. Is NQ back though? He said yes, NQ is back. Man, NQ is a goddess, man. You gotta put respect on her name, man. She a goddess because she requires sacrifice. She ain't no queen. Queens, they want offerings. Goddesses, they want sacrifice. And she wants her sacrificial account to allow your other accounts to flourish. She hasn't had her. I feel like since all the NASDAQ traders went to gold, she was like, nah, fuck it. I need everybody's account. I need everybody's account. You say you gave her one the other day. She says, you know what I require. She says, please, NASDAQ, please, just hit my TP. You know what I require. You know, in order to win, you know it requires sacrifice. You know it requires sacrifice. Yeah, I don't think I don't think gold is going to touch 5,000 today. I don't think it will. Well, let me take that back. Well, I think it's going to get close. I don't think we touch 5,000 today. Because price broke this major low right here. Price broke down. So it might actually come back in this area and we could potentially see. Oh yeah, okay, I can see it. Okay. All right, so this is what I see. Now, it may not happen. I think if the market wasn't being if the market wasn't overreacting, I'm just going to use that word. This would be a nice super setup for a big short. You have rising support on gold here. Rising support. You have is a rising support coming after the market breaks structure from the highs. You have all this liquidity, all these sell stops lined up to be engineered to be taken after price mitigates somewhere in this area. Now, if it wasn't gold and the people wasn't looking for 5,000, I would have been looking for a short and for the market to tap all into this resting sell liquidity for a move lower, taking out these lows. But these bulls have been relentless and bears have been failing to hold. So I don't know. I guess we just have to see what happens here. All I know is that the bulls is not going to give this one up easy, and the bears are not determined to take out these lows. They want to, but I guess they just don't really know how to. Same thing with silver. I mean, we're about what? 35. Let me see how many ticks we're away from 100. We're about 13 ticks away from 100 right now. So what do you think a lot of people is doing right now? If I was an institution and I wanted to trap as many buyers as possible to get this thing to sell down, we're so close to 100. Everybody probably has their targets actually. Well, Bookmap is for whatever reason. Well, okay, I guess. Yeah, everybody has their limit sitting at 100 right now. If you want to trap the most amount of buyers, they're going to keep buying until they get to 100 and you trap them out and you get this thing to flush lower. That's if I don't want price to touch 100, but we'll see if that actually happens. This is a minor low right here. So if the market breaks this low right here, don't be fooled into getting into a short, because until price takes out this low right here, anything above this low is considered a pullback for a bullish reaction. I'm pretty sure there's a bunch of people that got their buy limits sitting in this area right here. It's not until we get this break and then trade the pullback. And this looks like a good area right here. We got a range right there. So I'll be looking at this. Dang, looks like all the markets are at a standstill. Oh yeah, we got consumer sentiment in the next 2 minutes. Sometimes I forget that the market actually does wait for news and don't gamble. I forgot. All right, so we got news in 2 minutes. All right. Oh really? On MNQ or on NQ? Oh shit. All right, we got a minute. We got inflationary data about to drop. All right, 5 seconds. Looks like the market's starting to move. All right, here we go. 9 o'clock algo. News dropped. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's it. That's all we get. That's all we get. That's all. You see all that selling pressure that just came in? Look at all this selling that just came in. Damn, look at that. Oh, look at that. Uh-oh. Let's see if they're gonna tap into all this sell liquidity right here. Let's see. All right, then forecast. Yeah, that could be seen as a bearish. That could be seen as bearish because, as Trump said, good news. The Feds could potentially raise rates, and that's why we're getting the market to sell off every time we get good news. Out of fears that the Fed will raise rates because they feel that the economy is stabilizing. Hold on, guys. Let me get my daughter real quick. All right. Oh, I guess if I took that 50% of that range, I would have caught that move going higher. But we could see a break here actually. I kind of see a break and a potential double top rejection right here, potentially. And I'm taking this trade in the sim, so this is would be considered a high risk trade. This is not a trade I would normally take. But I do see a double top rejection. We see a break, double top, a potential double top rejection right here. So we'll see. All right. Yeah, get one down, and the other one starts going. All right, two more ticks, and there we go, 100. The bull's market objective has been complete on silver. The market objective has been complete. So let's see what the market does here. I want to show y'all something on a Bookmap real quick. Let me see if I can catch it. You see all this orders right here? You see all that liquidity right there that just got snatched up? And then as soon as they hit all these orders, we got that small little drop. So let's see. Let's see if the market just only wanted to go at 100 and we could potentially start seeing the market move to the downside, or if the market's going to continue to move higher here. I guess the NASDAQ is back, man. The NASDAQ is back. All right, let's see what it does. I mean, I guess we already kind of getting the market to kind of react at the 50% of this range right here. So we'll see if the market actually holds this. We could potentially get a move back down to the orb low here. Well, if the banks are still short at 60, rest in peace. I don't think they're still short at 60. They're probably hedged and they probably went long. I mean, they did have to get a bailout from the Fed, but while I guess the media keep you focused on what Trump is doing, I guess you had to the reality that the banks without the Fed almost went under because there was short in silver. But now we officially went over 100. Dude, this shit is not going to come back. There's no way that silver well, I guess there is a way if something crazy happens. But for the market to drop $40, that is a crash. And that means something would have to happen for it to get back down like to 60. Shit, I doubt that we see 70. 80 even. Because now the market is just going to keep on going higher if we don't see a rejection here. But we just had a break of structure above these highs. So technically, this is a break of structure. And so if I'm going to follow my strategy, then taking a pullback trade somewhere in this area right here where I see a range. Mm. All right, let's see. Let's see if the Bulls are going to hold this, or if the Bulls are going to buy this up, or are we going to see a break of structure? We'll see. Okay, okay. I was about to say, yo, what? I was about to say, man. All right. Well, Yo, congratulations on that, Alfred. I mean, I think that's the best decision, man. I wouldn't trade any of my funded accounts on Fridays. You see how crazy? I mean, it's like the 5th Friday in a row that it's just been crazy, super crazy. Let me see if I would have got my target here. I think would have got it. Oh shit, this thing would have missed my target by 2 ticks. By 3 ticks. Hmm. You said hit your 50? Hmm. All right. I mean, this thing's playing at my break even after missing my target by 3 ticks. So now my old target ain't good enough. Now silver needs to make that shit up. I think I might go back to trading silver next week. I got my Traderify 150K about to rebuild. So I'm just gonna go back to silver and trade that account just using the 27 tick stop with a 72 tick target, and just get my base hits every day and do that. There we go, baby. There we go. There we go, baby. There we go. Yeah, minis, yeah. 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 Well, actually, it rebuilt today, but I'm not gonna trade it. Don't punish me for that. Keep going higher. TP me, baby. I called my girl up and told her to TP me. That's what I'm talking about. Let's keep going. Called my girl up, told her to TP me. Mm. Come on, girl. You only got a few more ticks. Come on. Don't do that. You know, honestly, this could be like a trap high right here, potentially. But I don't think so. I don't think the Bulls are going to give it up right there. I mean, I don't know. They're going to give it up right there. Oh, come on. TP me before you do all that shit, man. Come on. Man, I swear, dude. Like, I swear, man. Come on, man. You ain't had to do that. You could have just TP'd me. Well. Okay. So maybe that was a trap high right there. Maybe that was. Shit. My God. I mean, what's wrong with just hitting my TP before you doing this? Hmm. Yeah, you definitely said that shit, Nelly. Shit. They popped this shit over 100. Were you able to catch it though? Hmm. I mean, come on, Silver. Like, why are you doing this to me, man? Why are you playing with my target right now, man? Hmm. You say you caught a part of it? Yeah, I'm definitely going back to minis next week, man. There we go, baby. TP me, damn it. Damn. Playing with the TP. TP me. All right, I'm gonna lock up, man. We'll just get to the practice account. Yo, I've caught over yo, on one contract, if I traded the minis instead of the micros today, I would have had, I don't even know how much money I would have made today. I really don't. Let me see, man. Because I made 1,600 in this, so that means that I caught let me see how many ticks this is, man. Let me see. Let's do the math. I caught like I made like 20K today. Well, not technically, no. But if I was in silver just running the same strategy. Man, see, that's what I'm talking about, man. That's what I'm talking about. So I made $1,600 in that account on well, two micro actually so 16, so that means shit, I would have made $4,000 in my TFD account. $4,000 in my TFD account instead of fucking with micros, man. 4K. 4K, man. And then I made 72 ticks in this account. And my actually I got what 108 ticks just now. That's 2,700 plus 1,800. Yeah, I'll be up at like 9K right now. I think I took, let me see, let me look at my accounts, because I think I took like, I made 1,600 in this account. I made 800 in this account. I think I made, yeah, I didn't take any trades in my, I didn't take any trades in there. So yeah, I'll be up like 9K right now. So I'm going back to minis next month, man, or next week. I'm definitely gonna try TradeSync. I'm not going to use TradeSync to copy trades. I'm gonna use TradeSync for the lockout feature. And I'm gonna see how that I'm gonna use it for the entirety of next week, and to just see how that's gonna change my game a little bit, because this is gonna be for my TradeOvate accounts. You say you're a bull right now on silver? Yeah, Nelly, I mean, that's all we can really do, man. That's all we can do is trust our strategy. I mean, even though, where is it at? So even though it was looking real shaky up here, you got the market literally floating up at highs and stuff like that. Did I do it on this account, or did I do it on another account? All right, I was about to say, where's my drawings at? As long as the market did not break this low right here, we have to respect the bulls. And as much as I was concerned about getting caught in a flush, the structure was always there. And if I allowed my fear to dictate my trading decisions, I would have been amongst the people that became liquidity for those that trusted what they saw and not what they thought or what they felt. So, I mean, we have trading rules for a reason. And oh yeah, and I took this trade too. So yeah, hold on. So yeah, I made 1,100K today. I took this trade in the sim, and then I actually took the same trade in the in my eval, because I was not gonna not take this trade in the eval. It was a great pullback. It was a great pullback. So actually no, I take that back. I think so this trade actually lost. Let me take that back. Never mind. This trade lost. It was my follow-up trade in the eval that got my money back. I take that back. But still, 10K is still, or I'm sorry, 9K is still good. And so, you know what? I moved away from silver because it got super volatile, but I just hated the fact that I didn't want to. Yesterday I was kind of reflecting on this week and what I started to do differently, and I guess, and I hate to say this, I really do. I hate to say this, but I hate to say this, but I changed my strategy because I didn't want to risk 27 ticks. So I was looking for another strategy that would allow me to keep an 18 tick stop on silver. But if I just traded with the 27 tick stop, yeah, I mean, dude, Silver stopped me out at 18 ticks so many times through back testing. And I guess my stubbornness, I just wanted to just only risk 18 ticks, but silver is too volatile. So now I'm just going to have to accept that if I trade silver, that I have to risk $700 per trade. But I mean, I can make 18 on the other end. So I mean, I'm only risking 7 to make 18. I don't like that, but I mean, I guess as y'all guys seen and off stream, I mean, it gets close to my stop, but it never hits it and hits my target. So, and then I can even go for more because I just take a 72 tick target, but it moves further than that. So, I'm just going to run this same strategy next week and see what happens. I should get back to the payouts next week. Hey, yo, what's up, Jay Stores? Yeah, dude, even Texas, we're getting a damn a cold front with a possibility of snow. I'm like, you know what? Why the hell is it snowing in Texas? Why is that something that us Texans has to deal with? Why do we got to deal with this type of shit? Like, dude, they'll close. Nah, I live in the middle between San Marcos and Austin. So I guess closer to Austin, probably. I guess Austin is more known than San Marcos, I guess. But are you was born and raised in Texas? Yeah, I moved to you said it snowed in Florida last week? What? Yo, what? It snowed in Florida? The sunny state? The sunshine state? I used to live in West Palm Beach, and I absolutely loved West Palm Beach. I loved living there. I just hated the fact that I had to move. I hated it. If I was doing what I did now, I would probably still be in West Palm Beach. You talking about, well, I don't know how the women are there now. But when I was living there, you talking about everybody's bed. Everybody got a beach body. Go to the beach. Bunch of beautiful ladies there. The energy is good. I had a little thing where I was acting as the Fed. At the time, I didn't know I was doing it. It just seemed like a good deal. Like with Florida, I don't know if it's still like this, but with their payday advances, dude, I was only paying like $40 to $45 for a payday advance. Like I would just take the money, go to the payday advance, get the money, spend it how I need to spend it, pay it back, plus the $45, and then take the loan out again. Like, dude, it was like infinite money. I was like, yo, we living good down here in Florida, dude. I love Florida. I go to Georgia, try to do the same shit, and I was like, man, Georgia and they laws. I don't even think you can do that anymore. I had to actually, so when I moved to Georgia, I think I had to drive because I was doing that payday advance little thing. I forgot where I had to drive to because Georgia don't even do it unless they changed it. I know they made it illegal or something like that. Correct me if I'm wrong, anybody that lives in Georgia, but I could have sworn I couldn't do it in Georgia because I moved from Florida to Georgia because there was like no work in Florida. And I was done with school and I just needed to work. Had kids to feed. I was young, dumb, full of cum. And there was just no work in Florida, so I had to move and I hated it. But I mean, I guess it's a part of my journey. I mean, I went from Florida to Georgia to South Carolina, and then from South Carolina here to Texas. And and I've already shared this with you guys that Texas just has been where I've started all my careers. I've started all my careers here in Texas. Every single one. So, I mean, Texas is going to be my forever state. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you know what's crazy? Uh, I lived in West Palm Beach, and then I moved to Lakesworth. And Lakesworth is about what 30 minutes away from Miami, and I still didn't even go. I still didn't go to Miami. I figured that I was gonna live in Florida, so I wanted to wait until spring break. But I moved from Florida, I think in the winter of, I think it was like 2013 or some shit like that. So I didn't get a chance to go to Miami. I should have went to Miami before I left, but it was so sudden that I had to move. I was like, well, but Lake Worth is dangerous. You got to be on your P's and Q's at Lake Worth, man. Motherfuckers be trying to rob you at all times in Lake Worth. It's crazy. It's like you don't have none of that shit like in Palm State and West Palm Beach. The crime is kind of non-existent. I mean, you can guess why, but you go down to Lake Worth, motherfuckers be trying to break into your damn car and rob you in broad daylight. And then the one year I was gonna go down to West Palm, or not West Palm Beach, I was gonna go down to Miami. Me and my brothers had it all planned out. We was gonna get a hotel on the beach. We was gonna get in one of them penthouses, them little penthouse beach hotels or whatever on the beach. Get the top room and shit. You can look, well shit. You can close your eyes and I can look out at the ocean while we do it. Shit. We had this shit all planned out. And then COVID had to hit, and I was like, you know what, man? I guess I'm not supposed to be in Miami. I guess I just wasn't supposed to be in Miami at all. We had this shit all planned out, man. All planned out. All right, there goes. I mean, shit. This shit broke 100. So, like I said, I think we continue to go higher. Oh, Dusty J stores? Yeah. Yeah, Nelly, I think so too, man. I think so too. Oh shit, investors, you say it's gonna snow down there in Georgia? Yo, what's up with all this? What is it called? No, it's not Final Destination. What was that damn movie called? Uh, whatever that movie called where the Ice Age and stuff like that. So is everybody's local grocery store, are all the shelves empty right now? Everybody that's expecting snow? Hmm. Hmm. Hopefully Texas does a better job with the snow. I think a couple of years ago, all the power went out. All the roads were iced. You had to drive super slow. If you hadn't had a vehicle, four-wheel drive vehicle, it was just best to stay at home. But Nelly, I might actually, I mean, if we get a decent pullback into some port, I'll probably get into another entry long here. Because I mean, technically, as long as the market doesn't break past the low, it's still bullish. It's still bullish as long as it doesn't break past the low. So I'm taking this in the sim. I'm done trading for today. We're just trading until the time runs out. But I guess this is a good time to talk about psychology because my psychology right now is I feel like it's all over the place right now, man. 340. And I guess that's why they say you have to think differently if you're going to be a trader. Because my mind is like screaming right now, like, dude, why are you taking a chance on taking these longs? What, like, why? The market is super high right now. You can get caught in a drop. Why are you doing it? Short this thing. Short it, short it, short it. Like, dude, my inner voice, that voice that's fearful of loss right now, is telling me to short this market, man. I know better than to listen to that damn voice right now. I mean, I guess technically, I mean, if this thing doesn't hold, we could see the thing drop, but we got to trade the structure. We have to trade the structure. As long as it doesn't take out that low, shorts are not going to work. They're going to work just enough to get you nice and comfortable and trapped if you don't have a short target. And then you'll just become liquidity like everybody else that's in this thing trying to short it. I mean, look at all, you can just see it in the price action. Look how many times the bears are trying, they're keep going higher and higher and higher trying to short this thing, and then they're getting stopped out of their positions. Yeah, Nelly, I definitely agree with that. I definitely agree. Sitting in front of your charts with a sound body in mind, with a plan, and just having the discipline to not deviate from that plan. And Nasdaq is going crazy right now. Let's see what gold did. Shit, dude, gold is, huh? Gold is still in the same spot. Gold is still in the same spot right here, guys. They're still playing at that trend line. What do y'all guys think? Gold is still playing at that trend line right now. Well, that's always fun. You gotta love it when the market doesn't come all the way back down to support. Yep, and it would hit my target too. So, I got missed by about 3 ticks here. I got missed by 3 ticks. Hmm. About 84 ticks right there in that move. Hmm. And now we wait. I mean, it kind of sucks that I mean, it kind of sucks that the market. I don't know. I wonder why the market chose to do that. I guess. I guess. I mean, I wonder why the market chose to do that. Looks like the market. I mean, yeah. I wonder why the market chose to do that. Why they chose to bounce right here. Hmm. Hey, where are you targeting, Nelly? Where are you targeting? I mean, I definitely agree. I mean, the market hasn't necessarily given you a reason to go short. Def- well, I'm pretty sure there's an order block right there, though. There's definitely an order block right here. Hmm. We got a range and we have the market breaking structure. So I don't think there's going to be a reversal, but there'll potentially be a rejection in this area. Potentially. I mean, the market is super bullish, so shorts might just get ate up here, but you know, I'm in the sim, so I'm gonna take this trade. If I was in an eval or a funded account, I probably would skip over this trade, honestly, because of how bullish it is. But because we're in the sim, I'll just take it. I'm done trading for today. Oh, you only have to set stop loss. Yeah, so I mean, you're probably super up right now. You're trading the full mini. You're not trading the micro right now. Yeah, I mean, dude, silver is silver is that instrument for sure. Silver is that instrument for sure. That's why I can't trade gold anymore. I can't trade gold anymore. Not when silver is moving like this. Not when each tick is $25. You can't. Now, if silver moved exactly like silver, then I couldn't trade silver. I wouldn't be able to trade the mini. I would have to risk too much. I would need to have like a 100K account to trade silver if it moved exactly like gold, or accept getting stopped out here and there, which that's not easy for me to accept. So I'm just glad silver trades the way she trades and gold trades the way that she trades, and we can have a choice. So I'm going to be grateful that that's the reality and not the norm. We do have all right, so let's see. Let's see if I'll get filled here. I probably will. How bullish it is, but we'll see. We do got a block of liquidity. So that was previously. All right, so we do got the market. I mean, I'm not taking this. I am not taking this short because of this block of liquidity up here. I'm just taking it because I just see a technical pattern that I would trade normally anyway. A range, a break from that range, and setting the limit at the 50% of that range. That's all. That's the only reason why I'm taking this trade. But there is a block of liquidity sitting right there on silver. Looks like they want to buy it right back up at 99.8. So we'll see if he gets something like that to happen. Yo, congratulations on that, Santiago. Were you trading Nasdaq all day? Man, look at dude, the Nasdaq is going crazy right now. What's going on? Yo, congratulations, man. Oh, you're trading the micros
Connection
right now?
lost.
Yeah, that's right. That's exactly right. Lock them profits out, man. Lock those profits out. I'm pretty sure a lot of people stick with Top Step, not because they like the platform, but they see themselves consistently getting paid out. Just having the power to lock yourself out is very powerful, man. It's very powerful to lock yourself out. It's very powerful to not have to think about a lot of things. You set your daily loss limit. You set your target. You can have it set to where if you make a certain amount, that it locks the account after it pushes past that maximum daily profit that you set for yourself. But honestly, I don't put that on because what I've seen is there is a delay between once it registers that you, or maybe it's changed. I don't know, but because I haven't used it recently, but around the time that I used it to where I was set it to where it would lock out if I hit a certain amount on both sides, it would hit the target. And if the market comes back down, instead of locking the account out at, like, if I want to make $720 and it takes the system too long to register it and the market comes back down, it's going to lock me out at whatever price the market is at the time it locks me out. So as an example, I've had a situation where I set it to like $1,100. It locks me out and I'm down, not down, but it locks me out at like 1050 or something like that, because the market hit the profit target, or not the profit target, but the profits that I set, and it came down and it locked out as it was coming down. And honestly, that pissed me off. It pissed me off. So I haven't used it since. If I have it locked out at 720, I want my 720. So I just have a profit target for that. And I'll just manually lock out because I just don't trust the system to do it. I just don't trust it. You was down $1,000 in your main account. Yo, I'm glad you got that back, man. Nah, I'm just looking at her. I'm just looking. We friends, you know. We still talk. I mean, she still got me if I need her or something. You know, if I told her to send the pics, she got me. She showed me the nudes. She showed me the setups. I'm like, you know, girl, you know you're looking good right now, man. You looking good. Shit, I'm happy for you. It's just that I just can't come over no more, you know? I mean, my girl right now, she treating me good right now, man. She making sure your boy is fed right now. She making sure your boy is fed. I can't go back on that. She's my twin sis. So me and Nasdaq like to reminisce a lot, but nah. No, sir. No, sir. $25.08 on. I just appreciate the nudes. It's appreciation. It's a token. It's just it's a symbol. I don't get riled up like that on no pictures. I need to have that shit in front of me. It's just the confirmation. The nudes is just the confirmation. That's all that is. She sent me the confirmation. It's like, all right, so we already know what time it is when I come over. We already know what time it is when I pull up. You getting in long right now? You said, hold on, you're getting in long right now? On the NQ? What are you looking at right now? You say you're getting in long? It's Friday. You ain't got nothing to do. I know a lot of people like, dude, just oh shit, I'm in. Oh, okay. I was like, dude, am I in? Like, dude, what the hell? All right. Yeah. Ah, silver. Ah. Yeah. You said hit a 50 on the NQ? You said hit a 50? I mean, the only thing I see is are you looking at this right here? That's the only thing I see right now. Is this what you see right now, Santiago? Or are you talking about a 50 from like a previous session? I guess we could just look back in the past real quick and see if that's what you're talking about. I mean, I'm not gonna go back too far. I don't even think I can. Okay. The housemaid? You have 500 in your practice account? Our boy Nelly reliving that South Park episode in real life. For those that know which South Park episode I'm talking about. Did you like The Housemaid? Did you watch it? The Housemaid, actually, The Housemaid. Nothing. boy Alfred. Our boy Alfred is up $4,500 in his TPT account. He has one more day, and then he'll move into a funded account. He'll move into a funded account. Congratulations, Alfred. My boy Santiago posted the 50. Okay, yeah. So he was looking at the same thing. Okay, cool. All right, cool, nice. Yeah, the 50. Don't think, just execute. Don't think, just execute. Don't think, just execute. Nice. Congratulations on that, Santiago. You found that on the 500 tick chart. Mm. Oh, Broadway bro down. Broadway bro down. Broadway bro down. Yeah, so Nelly, check out the South Park episode Broadway bro down. Broadway bro down, where Randy takes his wife to see a play, and then the play has subliminal messages, and then his wife thanks him after seeing the play, and then Randy becomes a thespian. Yeah, so, I mean the Nasdaq was pretty decent today. I mean I wouldn't say anything too. The price action wasn't that bad today. I mean I still wouldn't trade it, but and the price action wasn't too bad. I think hopefully Cave Trader actually. Oh shit. Damn. Okay. Yeah, Cave Trader was telling me about his position last night. And he said that he wanted to hold it until New York, and unfortunately it stopped him out. So hopefully he was able to get back into this thing. If he was able to catch the move at at about like 9 o'clock, he definitely would have gotten paid, because Cave Trader says that he waits for the break of structure. He waits like I guess he likes to take the breakout trades, and then he has to stop about 200 points back or 200 ticks back. I'm not sure which one. I forget which one. And he tries to hold as long as possible. Yeah, Thespian is someone that enjoys theater plays. But this, I think, yeah, this is a clip from the episode right here. It's no longer available. Never mind. So yeah, the premise of it is that
Opioid addiction gets between you and what you love. Once monthly Sublocade.
Randy, what are you doing?
It's time to put an end to Broadway once and for all.
yo, Silver is going crazy right now. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Give me my money back. Give me my money back. That's what I'm talking about. This is why I love identifying ranges. Ah, shit. Damn it. Damn. Damn. Damn it. Damn. Identifying ranges, if I get stopped out, all I gotta do is wait for the pullback. Man, Silver is going crazy right now, man. Going crazy right now. Let's see if it'll respect this little. Let's see. So you took some profits on Silver. Now you got a runner going. Shit. Congratulations, man. Shit. Let's keep all our Fridays like this, man. Everybody's making money today. I mean, what Fridays is either you've made money or you've lost your account. I mean, there's no in between that. It's unfortunate if you lost your account today, but for those that was able to make so much money today. But today just really goes to show. It really goes to show that you have to pay attention to market structure. You just have to. If you're going to trade against market structure, you're literally telling the market that you're giving it a liquidity donation. And as I was saying earlier, you know, my psychology was trying to get me to short this damn thing, man. It was trying to get me to short it. Even though the market did not give me any reason to short it. It was like, just short it. It's too high. It was trying to convince me to not even trade my setup. Like, it was trying to convince me not to trade my setup. As crazy as that sounds. My setup that has been consistently working. Trying to get me not to trade it. And I had to kind of override that thought. I mean, I was in a sim, so it was not really no risk or anything. But if I was in a funded account, I probably would have skipped out on the trade, you know. I probably would have. I would have convinced myself to look for, I mean, I probably would have, a better opportunity would have presented itself if I waited. But probably would have convinced myself not to open the position. So I guess I say all that to say that rules matter, I guess. They matter. You say you got one more trade in you? All right, Nelly, have a good day, man. Oh, my bad. Santiago, my bad. It's Santiago that's leaving. Yeah, that's definitely true. That's definitely true. Don't think, just execute. When the market is ready to move, it'll move. Um, hmm. 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 So Investor Z, you say you got one more trade in you right now? Are you in a trade? Are you looking for a trade? What are you looking at right now? He said silver's the reason why he's in the hole. Yeah. Interesting. That's what, dude, that is crazy, man. Yo, that is freaking crazy. That's crazy. That is freaking crazy, man. That is crazy. That is crazy, man. I literally, dude, this is what I'm talking about when you trade without fear, you trade without thought. I just bought the 21 EMA and I'm up like 16. Dude, that is crazy, man. That's crazy. I just bought the 21 EMA and I'm up like, I just made 144 ticks in that move. 144 ticks. Crazy. And here I am sometimes just be like, and then this thing is still going. And sometimes I find myself having a hard time. Well, I guess sometimes I do trade against the trend, I guess sometimes. But man, this is crazy. So everybody that got short here is getting stopped out. So until the market breaks, but here's what I'm seeing though. Man, if something crazy comes out, I mean, y'all guys see it, right? The market is trending. This leg is trending higher. This leg is super trending higher right now. So if we get anything, we have all this sell liquidity for a move back down. And gold, let's see if gold is, oh shit. Well, if you just paid attention to this trend line, all the bears, I guess, that got trapped underneath this trend line was used to fuel the market higher here. This is why it just sucks being a bear. I was actually talking to my trading partner, Smith, and I was like, man, if I just adapt to this new market, I mean, this market's been trading this way for so long. I just been fighting it for so long. Instead of looking for short opportunities, knowing that the market is not going to short. And even if it does short, you'll be making pennies versus the dollars that you could make by looking for long opportunities. But man, taking a short is in my blood, man. I enjoy taking shorts, man. But I think I have to move away from that. I think I have to disregard all short opportunities and just take advantage, or I guess see them as an opportunity to take a long, because I mean, I guess this pullback, it did take out this low. I mean, a lot of people got stopped out right here, but I mean, you was able to get that money back if you waited for the next setup to happen. Well, all right. You know what's crazy? It missed my limit right there. It missed this limit right there. And I missed that entire move. All right. All right, guys. I'm out of time for this session. Out of time for this session. I appreciate everybody that joined me this week. I will say that this week has been very challenging. Just reflecting on this week, I think it was Wednesday, Tuesday, whatever day it was. It was probably my worst trading day that I've had in a very long time. I wasn't proud of my actual. Well, actually, it wasn't a long time. I did that shit last a couple of weeks ago. So, I guess what I can take from that situation is that every time I behave in that manner, it's highly likely that I'll lose an account or I'll lose a big portion of that account if I don't blow it. And just have to be mindful of that. So moving forward, I'm going to make it a point not to become emotionally overwhelmed and just follow my rules like I'm supposed to. If I follow my rules, I won't have too many losses and I won't go on tilt. So that's something that I'm just going to continue to work on moving forward. So All right. Well, yeah, I'm glad to see that, Alfred. I'm glad to see it. So we'll come back on Sunday night, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody. Have a good weekend, and keep on jabbing.